Did a hit HGTV show just commit a major crime on national television? Fans are reeling after Renovation Aloha, starring Kamohai and Kalama, allegedly aired uncensored footage of ancient Hawaiian human remains, a shocking move that's landed them in deep legal trouble. The controversy erupted when the couple discovered skeletal remains in a lava tube while scouting a property, immediately notifying authorities. Despite the state attorney general obtaining a temporary restraining order specifically to preventing broadcast of these sacred images, the episode apparently aired with the bones clearly visible for all to see. To add fuel to the fire, videos of the remains were reportedly shared online by both the Kalamas and HGTV, sparking absolute outrage across social media. The Hawaiian community's reaction was swift and furious, with cultural leaders like Wong-Kalu expressing extreme disappointment at the disrespect shown to ancestral burial practices. Now the state AG is pursuing additional action, investigating whether a crime was committed, leaving the future of the beloved Renovation series hanging in the balance. HGTV issued an apology, claiming no intention to offend, while the Kalamas insisted on Instagram that they followed protocols and deeply respected Hawaiian culture. But with a full-blown criminal investigation underway, this behind-the-scenes drama has escalated into a scandalous cultural clash. What do you think will happen next in this unfolding drama? Drop your theories in the comments, and for all the juiciest celebrity tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel.
From Hollywood to the world, we've got you covered. Subscribe for more.